And the breaking news we're tracking is from Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj, where several pilgrims were feared injured after a stampede-like situation broke out at the Mahakumbh earlier today ahead of the Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya. According to officials on Ground Zero, this stampede-like situation broke out due to the overwhelming crowd, which has led to several women suffocating. We are told that ambulances were dispatched very quickly and the affected women were taken to hospital for treatment. But over 30 women have been admitted to the central hospital that's set up in the Mela area, and the incident did cause a slight delay in the start of the Amrit Snan. But the incident occurred early today amid a sea of crowds converging at the Sangam and all the other ghats that are along a 12-kilometer range of the riverbanks for the Mahakumbh. But the Amrit Snan today is actually the most significant ritual of the Mahakumbh. It's on Mauni Amavasya, and this year the occasion holds added spiritual importance due to a rare celestial alignment which occurs once every 144 years. Several people are injured as we speak. My colleague Ranveer has been tracking all the finer details for us on Ground Zero. He joins us live at the moment. Ranveer has been reporting that all akhadas have decided not to go ahead with their holy dip in solidarity, taking in account the overwhelming crowds that have converged in Prayagraj. Ranveer, describe the current situation at the Mahakumbh where you are, and is the panic under control now?
Administration is trying to control the situation, and if I'm talking about the current situation, you can see this is the crowd which is returning back after taking holy dip. And if we talk about the incidents that occurred last night at around 1 p.m., some of the ladies who were sitting beside the road were crushed by the crowd, because the crowd which were trying to reach near the Sangam Ghat, they fell into an stampede-like situation, and which occurred suffocation for the ladies who were sitting beside the road, and the crowd fell down, and that led to this incident. More than 30 devotees, especially women, are injured, and they are being treated in the different hospitals, including the Central Hospital Mahakumbh, Belly Hospital, Swarup Rani Hospital of Prayagraj. So the administration has sent many ambulances, and the administration tried to give them better treatment. But if we talk about the situation, you can see a huge crowd we are seeing since last few days. And today, as per the officials, as per the UP government, more than 10 crore devotees are expected, and you can see this crowd says how big the number is. You see, some of the devotees are excited also. Some of the devotees who are in trouble because of this stampede-like situation. The administration is trying to identify the devotees who are in hospital. They are trying to contact to the family members. You can see this kind of ladies who are not in a position to walk, but they are still in the Mela area. काकी कहाँ से आई हैं आप?
हम बेटा हमीरपुर जिले से।
हमीरपुर।
हाँ, बाबा के बाद हमीरपुर।
कितना उम्र है आपका?
मेरी 90 से ऊपर। हाँ।
इतनी दिक्कत है, इतनी भीड़ है।
ये 5वां कुंभ है मेरा, 20 साल वाला।
अच्छा, 5वां कुंभ है। आज तो बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ है, क्यों आई आज?
मैया के दर्शन करने। अंतिम मेरा है, अब माता रानी।
अंतिम काहे है, अगला भी देखेंगे।
नहीं बेटा, मोर हीरा ऐसा नहीं।
अरे अगला भी देखेंगे।
अब गंगा मैया।
नहीं, अगला कुंभ आप देखेंगे। अब ये बताइए, आज इतनी भीड़ है, डर नहीं लग रहा है?
नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
सरकार के बड़े अच्छे प्रबंध हैं।
इतनी बढ़िया व्यवस्था मैंने 4 कुंभ में नहीं देखी। जवाहरलाल के आगे से यहाँ कम से कम लाखों आदमी मर गया रेता में। पहले कुंभ में जब मेरी याद, जवाहरलाल जब बने हैं यहाँ के।
कौन सा साल था, याद है?
अरे बेटा, पुराने जमाने में कटहरा से बाहर
क्या हुआ था
यहाँ कुंभ में? स्नान करने जब आए लागा हाथी, डर से जनता भगी, मर गई गप के रेता में। इंदिरा गांधी के सामने कुंभ पड़ा, ये व्यवस्था नहीं थी। इसके बाद राजीव आया, वो नहीं, कोई व्यवस्था नहीं।
और इस बार
अब ये बात तो अभी बच्चा से बता रही थी कि ये तो थाना ही बेटा, ये कभी बन गया। योगी मोदी की महिमा,
मोदी की जय।
मजा आ रहा है।
अब बेटा आनंद आनंद है। स्नान करने का यही धर्म है कि कोई भी आ जाए, किसी को वोट मत लगाओ, मोहर लगाओ। जोगी में और मोदी में तुम भी जोगी बन के रहो। सब छल छोड़ भजो रघुवीरा। अरे भैया ये नाटक आ करा बताओ का। अरे बेटा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं। देखो
अभी जा रही है नहाने ना?
नहाने जा
नहा
रहे।
चुकी।
अब ये देखो वीडियो कहाँ कहाँ पड़ेगा,
हाँ।
कहाँ मेरा क्या हाल हुआ। नहीं नहीं
नहीं।
हम मर्यादा जमाने के हैं बेटा।
हाँ।
हमें मर्यादा प्यारी है।
हाँ।
ये नाटक प्यारा नहीं।
अच्छा।
रियल रहो।
हाँ।
रील में मत चलो।
रील जानती हैं आप?
ये रील जो है लिए खड़ी हो। रियल मैं डंडा लिए खड़ी हूँ, जा रही हूँ तुम्हारे कंधों से।
तो रील बनाती हैं क्या?
क्या
रील नहीं बनाती?
अरे यार सुन लिया किसी से, जो सीख लिया तुम लोगों से।
ठीक है चलिए नहाइए।
नहीं,
दादी पढ़ी बहुत है। दादी पढ़ी बहुत
स्कूल है ना।
हाँ, बताइए क्या?
हाँ, हम तो अपने है ना योगी जी को
कहाँ से आई हैं?
हम इलाहाबाद से लोकल पब्लिक हैं और हम अपने योगी जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हैं कि उनकी इतनी अच्छी व्यवस्था, इतना अच्छा सब कुछ हुआ और इतने सारे लोग आए। 10 करोड़ के आसपास तो मेरे को लगता है नहाए होंगे लोग। और उनको मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। जो हमारा पुलिस प्रशासन है वो ज़बरदस्त तरीके से हम लोग के साथ कोऑपरेट कर रहा है और ये नहाना उन्हीं के मतलब बदौलत संभव हुआ, जो इतने विस्तार कर दिया मेले का। 13 में भी हम नहाए थे लेकिन इतनी व्यवस्था नहीं थी जितनी अब जबरदस्त। हर हर महादेव।
हर हर महादेव। और आपने देखा कि 90 साल से ज़्यादा परिवार के सदस्य बता रहे थे। 97 साल एक अम्मा की उम्र, और इस एज में भी अम्मा जो है वो आज के दिन जब 10 करोड़ से ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे तब वो यहाँ पर स्नान करने आए। तो इस तरह की तस्वीर आस्था के रंग भी हैं और इस आस्था के रंग के बीच लोग स्नान कर रहे हैं। प्रयागराज से कैमरा पर्सन सनी के साथ
Right, all akharas have decided not to go ahead with their holy dip today in stock of the huge crowd. Many pilgrims continue to throng the ghats despite the stampede-like situation earlier today ahead of the Amrit Snan, where several pilgrims were feared injured after the stampede-like situation broke out on Mauni Amavasya. According to officials on Ground Zero, this situation broke out due to the overwhelming crowd, which led to several women suffocating. Ambulances, we're told, were deployed immediately. They were actually helping the affected women by taking them to the hospital for further treatment. The incident has, though, caused a slight delay in the start of the Amrit Snan. Ranveer continues to be with us live from Prayagraj at the moment. Ranveer, take our viewers through what led to this entire chaos of the stampede-like situation. Was it solely overcrowding, or were there other factors at play as well? We were hearing from officials on Ground Zero that someone busted some barriers.
Yes, near Sangam Ghat at around 1 a.m. Some devotees were sitting and they were waiting for the VRs to take holy dip after the sun rises. And some of the devotees, they were trying to enter near the Sangam area, and that led to this incident because the crowd which was walking, they were in such a big number that they broke out the barricade like this. So this is just an example. So near Sangam Ghat, a barricade was installed so that the crowd can be managed, but the crowd was in such big number that they broke the barricade, and that led to stampede-like situation. Some of the devotees fell down. Some of the devotees who were sitting near the barricade, they were crushed by the mob, and that's why this incident occurred. And due to suffocation, especially devotees, especially women, they got injured. And after this incident, the administration sent many ambulances, and the ambulances carried the injured devotees to Central Hospital, which is located inside the Mela area. So after the initial treatment, some of the devotees who were in serious situation, they were sent to Belly Hospital as well as Swarup Rani Hospital in Prayagraj. So the crowd management, obviously the administration is trying to manage the crowd, but the situation is not so good because the number of devotees is so big that it's a big challenge for administration to manage them. And you can see this is the road where normally common devotees are not allowed, but you can see due to the number of devotees, the administration has decided to send back some of the devotees to the outer road of the Mahakumbh. So you can see the numbers of devotees is in a huge number, and we are seeing this crowd since last few days. So the situation can be considered under control, but the situation occurred last night was not so well. Administration has not said anything about casualties. We are waiting for the official words, but I can say that more than 30 devotees, mainly women, they are in hospital, they are being treated, and the situation is obviously a challenge for administration because the administration is trying to control the crowd. I'll take you to another road, which is the main road for devotees to return back after taking Holy Dip at Sangam, and I'll show you the picture how big the number of devotees is. So this is Mela area. I'm standing near Adi Shankar Viman Mandapam temple, and you can see this is off road, and that road where you can see a police barricade, this is the main road for the devotees to return back after taking Holy Dip at Sangam. So not only Sangam area, but the entire Mela area is filled, is witnessing a huge crowd, and I can say that obviously I have never seen such a big crowd anywhere. So this is the biggest gathering, biggest one, and you can see the policemen, the local administration, they are trying to control the situation through live monitoring at the control center. They are trying to manage the situation through the civil defense forces, the policemen, the paramilitary forces, and they are requesting the devotees to take Holy Dip and return back as soon as possible. And I'll show you the crowd which are in Mela. The numbers of devotees who are returning back after taking dip. So this is the main road, which is specially dedicated to for the devotees to return back, and you can see a huge number of policemen is also here. This is the crowd. This is the real crowd, which is saying the real picture of Mahakumbh. A huge number of devotees who are returning back after taking Holy Dip at Sangam, and the policemen, they are trying to control the situation. They are trying to control the crowd, but the number of devotees is such a big number that we can say this is the main challenge of administration. So since last 2 or 3 days we are witnessing a huge crowd, and now after the incidents, the administration is now trying to control the situation and requesting them to return back to their homes as soon as possible.
Ranveer, as always, thanks so much for joining us with the latest from Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj. We are waiting to hear from officials on the ground whether there were any warning signs of crowd control failures that could have prevented a stampede-like situation that took place on Mauni Amavasya earlier this morning. We are monitoring the condition of the injured as well. Over 30 women have been taken to hospital for further treatment. We're told the hospitals are equipped to handle the influx of patients. In terms of the reactions of the crowd, well, you've seen the pilgrims. They seem reassured from officials on the ground. There is some fear and frustration as well. Officials have instructed all those taking a holy dip to take their holy dip and then return to the designated areas. But given the colossal scale of the Mahakumbh, 10 crore people expected just today for the holy dip. Authorities will be working towards preventing such incidents till this massive event ends on the 26th of February.